Dear friends, I am Jahangir Alam. I belong to Tukrapara. I am from Northeast India. Today, I will describe about education and its importance. Before describing, I would like to thank to the honorable trainer and founder of Global Language School Goraimari. Previously, never I didn't know how to speak in English language, but now it is my cup of tea, only for the honorable trainer of Global Language School Goraimari. So friends, now I am gonna describe my topic. Education is very important for human life. Friends, generally we say youth is the backbone of a country, and we should say education also is the backbone of a nation. Without education, a nation can't go ahead. A teacher is such a person who can change a society through the education. The famous statement of Nelson Mandela is displayed at the entrance of the University of South Africa. Thus, destroying any nation does not require the use of atomic bombs or the use of long-range missiles. It only requires lowering quality of the education and allowing cheating in the examinations by the students. When South Africa abolished discrimination in 1990 under the leadership of Nelson Mandela, his supporters, mainly African tribes, demanded reservation in the government sector, in the private sector, and in the education sector. But Nelson Mandela replied that he wouldn't allow such type of reservation because the product of reservation will destroy the whole nation. So friends, education is really necessary for making nation and developing the societies, but it should be with skills, not only getting good marks by sitting in the examinations. Friends, generally our education system teaches us how to get good marks, but not teaches us how to acquire knowledge. As a student, we also run towards marks but not towards knowledge. In fact, as a student, we should run behind the knowledge. If we run behind the knowledge, marks will run behind us. It should be the reality of our education so that this education can help us for making a good nation. Thank you.